Oh, hi! Hi everyone, here's KSTYLEYO. Today I'm going to talk about how to say most in Korean. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Inyoung. I post videos about Korean language and culture every single week. If they interest you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So today I'm going to talk about how to say most in Korean. Not moist, most. There are two words you can use. 가장, 제일. 가장, 제일. They're both equivalent and you can use interchangeably. So today I'm going to talk about three contexts you can use with 가장 and 제일. But I'm gonna talk about just 가장, but think of it as 제일 can be used in every example. First one, I'm best at doing something. This is about competency. I'm best at art. In Korean, we're gonna use do well most. 저는 I, 예술을 art as an object, 가장 most, 잘 해요, well do. 저는 예술을 가장 잘해요. I'm best at art. So the opposite one, I'm worst at history. History is 역사. I'm worst at history. How would you say that? 저는 역사를 가장 못해요. We say can't do. I can't do history most. 저는 역사를 가장 못해요. 못해요. When you say fast, it sounds like T sound. 못해요. 못해요. Second context is when something or someone is best. 가장 좋아요. 가장 most 좋아요. Be good. To be good. 좋다 verb becomes 좋아요. 가장 좋아요. It's the best. You need to understand in English, best is actually superlative. Is that the word? It's actually best is actually combination of most good. In Korean, we don't have separate words for best. We say most good. 가장 좋아요. How about the worst? That is actually combination of most bad. 가장 나빠요. 가장 나빠요 is the worst. The third context we can take a look at. Please smash that like button if you haven't done so. I'm just kidding. The third context you can use is favorite. Favorite is associated with like. In Korean, 가장 좋아하는. 좋아하는 is like as an adjective, liking. 가장 좋아하는 becomes favorite. 가장 좋아하는 음악이 뭐예요? What is your favorite music? 가장 좋아하는 영화가 뭐예요? What's your favorite movie? How about least liking? In Korean, we don't normally say least liking, we say most hating. So to hate is 싫어하다 verb. So as an adjective, 싫어하는. 가장 싫어하는 becomes least liking. 가장 싫어하는 영화가 뭐예요? What's your least liking movie? 가장 싫어하는 책이 뭐예요? What's your least liking book? So what we talked about today is how to use most in Korean. The first one is I am best at. I am worst at. The second one, it's the best. It's the worst. The third one, favorite and least favorite. But to be honest, least favorite, do people say that? But it just doesn't make sense because least favorite is actually least and most liking at the same time. Like this video today, give thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, bye bye!